Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound dollar, very sideways day yesterday, which I said yesterday that I think that it's going to be a sideways pullback day. I think that this is still going to be an uptrend. As long as it doesn't take out this swing right here, it's still going to be higher highs, higher lows on this 4 hour time frame, even if it does make a push to the downside like this. So for me personally, as a swing trader, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we still got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive up. I think this is going to end up probably doing something like this, probably making some sort of an overlapping waves down to like the 61 and the 78%, and I think that it's going to make another long opportunity. So I personally am definitely waiting for the long. I'm not looking to go short because going short inside a correction on the 1 hour time frame is unpredictable and unreliable. I would much rather just either wait for a breaker structure to the downside before I start looking for shorts, or I would like to wait until I see a Fibonacci bounce and then go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.